Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas, the investor. How are you all? It's lovely to have you here on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, around the world, multiple platforms. What a busy afternoon. We got IonQ earnings after hours tonight. I'm really pleased. The portfolio has held up despite a 24% Thursday and Friday rally. It hasn't sold off. We've had a little bit up and down, but it's recovered again, and I'm happy with this. I was able to get some more shares of IonQ and also Canoe as well, Gove. So I'm happy. Everything's good. Keep learning those averages. Keep building the foundations. Let's get straight into our trading and investing right now. Let me just adjust that screen a little bit. There we go. That's gone a bit off the screen. Let's just zoom that back out a bit. There we go. That's a bit better. You can see where we are now. 47,000. So pretty strong today. 47,370. Just slightly down. Not much. 392. In fact, we're about to go green any second now. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. If you're over on TikTok, thanks to all the follows. It should be a wonderful afternoon. Okay, here we go. And don't forget to always thumbs up the video. Okay, let's see where we are right now. Let's see who's in the chat. Shad is here straight out the bat. Thank you very much indeed. Shad, how are you? Enjoying those games this afternoon? What are you up to? Max H is here as well. Thank you, Max. Welcome to the show. Let's go through our entire portfolio. The S&P 500 looking very nice now. 2.45. Looking great, 18.6% of my portfolio up today. That's very encouraging. That's what we have it for. It's a foundation of our portfolio. Let's trim down Virgin Galactic. There we go. Virgin Galactic also up. I think we're turning green again. Yeah, we are. We're turning green again. There we go. So this could, if we make a percent now, we'll be up a quarter of a century, 25% over the last 3 days. That would be something, wouldn't it? So anyway, Virgin Galactic, very nice, holding up. Rumours about the flights being pulled forward is interesting. You never know. There's that hovering around. I've seen that on the internet. Virgin Orbit is down today. I've got a buy place ready to go. Tesla, let me zoom out. These are what I was using to make my shorts just a few moments ago, if anybody caught that. Tesla recovering, does not want to sell. Just been spending the day making videos and watching you. Very nice, Shad. Very nice indeed. Rivian, thank you for always being here and a member too. Your badge should turn yellow soon. All right. Paddy's here from Italy. How are you, Paddy? Lovely to have you here. If you check your super chats, Paddy, you might have a free super chat now. You've been a member probably for 11 months. So go and check it out. Rivian. You'll be turning gold next month. Amazon is down 1% today, but that's okay. I'm happy to hold that. Apple, that's up and that's green today. Robinhood down 6%. Now I've got a nice little buy-in at, I think it is $8. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to go there today. But anyway, I'm down just 6%. I've got a nice position building on Robinhood, and if it goes down, I'll buy some more. McDonald's is up 1% today. Very nice. 13% I'm up now. We're in the green again. Let me just go back and share with you. There we go. We're in the green. 3 days in a row. And what's important about that, however, is if we go on the day, see we're pretty much flat now, we're green again, backwards and forwards. We're up 13% on the week. We're up 22% on the month, but of course that's relative to what day you go, but we're still down on the 3 months, a long way. But 15%, we could make that back with the stocks I've got. Tilray could explode at any moment. So could Tesla. So could Virgin Galactic. There's quite a few stocks that are primed for a massive rally. So all looking nice. Anyway, let's go back to the main portfolio. Coca-Cola is flat today. That's okay. Johnson & Johnson. Wow. Johnson & Johnson doesn't do that. Johnson & Johnson does not do that. That is a very good day. 2.85 up today on J&J. 3.5, nearly 3.5% of my portfolio. Google Bought all the dips of Google and only down 2.37. Very, very, very nice indeed. That's a big part now of my portfolio. It's grown quite a lot. It's 5% of my portfolio now. Very happy with that. So, if I needed capital, I could take $128 loss. I got $5,000 sitting there. That's great. That can only go up from here. Very, very happy with that. Very, very happy. Microsoft. I had hardly anything in Microsoft. I've now got $2,500 and I'm 4% up on it now. I'm up, on Microsoft. Here's the big story of the day, however. Meta was 85% down. I bought the bottom and I'm down just $20. $6,500 in Meta. Oh my God. We could trim back this now and take some profits out. If it just moves up 1%, take some off the top if I wanted to. But to be honest with you, I'm seeing a 200 to 250 price target minimum, really. To be totally honest, I'm going to hold that. Very, very nice indeed. Thanks for all the follows. TikTok have just said to me, encourage your viewers to share your live and invite more friends. Yeah, you could do that. Click the share button. So the little share button at the bottom, just there. Click the share button. I might come up with some sort of benefit bonus if everyone does it. J&J is always safe. Yes, it is, particularly right now. It is, says... Biden meeting with Winnie the Pooh. Biden meeting with Winnie the Pooh didn't go well. What's all that about? Church of Logic? What are you on about? Have you gone mad? What's going on? Winnie the Pooh? SoFi today, I'm up now 1.27. That's got a nice run to go as well. Very much so. IonQ, we are reporting tonight. We are up 12.5%. Very, very nice. Let's have a look. Expectations. They smashed it last time. And it's the same. Analysts have given the same expectations this time. Can you imagine if we beat it again? That's primed. IonQ. It's interesting that they didn't increase their expectations when it beat so much. Imagine if they beat it again. We could be in for one hell of a night with IonQ, and we are covering it tonight live after the show. We're going to be here, and it's straight after the bell as well. It's an early one. It's straight after the bell. Walmart. We've got Walmart tomorrow morning. Join me tomorrow morning for Walmart. So I'm up 15%. We had a massive drop last quarter. If you remember, I think it dropped like 25-30%, or it might have been 2 quarters ago. No, I think it was last quarter. Let me just have a look at that. There was this there it goes. Yeah, May, June, July, August, September. No, it was 2 quarters ago, and I bought it here. And it makes money. Its dividends are good. Dividends are nice. It's been very, very safe for me. Made some money. If we get that flash again, I'll be ready to do that again. But anyway, Walmart. Target is up 17%, and we got earnings on the 16th. Pre-market for Target as well. Bad news is good news for these companies right now. Tesco. I'm nearly in the money on Tesco. Can't believe that one. Well, I don't know why I'm saying I can't believe it. Of course I can. That's why I invested in it, right? I'm just happy, that's all. Canoe, down 31%. Gove, I bought some more today. I got an order placed to buy more. My order is at 120, down 31%, but I'm happy with that. Not an issue. Tilray today did pop up 8%. So the fact I'm up today, in fact, I'm right on the line. If we look at it right now, I'm right on the line. So we had 8% in Tilray. So it won't take much to bring the portfolio back up again. Hardly anything at all. Anyway, Enphase Energy is continually doing well. I'm at 3%. This is the 3rd or 4th time I've been in and out of the stock. I've sold my position, made profit, sold out, and then bought back in again on a dip and it's up again. So very nice. Coming on to our crypto BSV today is up 4.4. I haven't bought any more. I'm kind of only buying Bitcoin now. Down 11%, Bitcoin. I've got an order placed. I think I've got 2 order placed. Yes, orders placed. I've got an order for 15.8 and 14,000. 15.8 and 14,000. Took 156 from Tilray. Very, very nice indeed, Stephen Rowe. Very good indeed. Ethereum, I'm not really buying it at all. This is IonQ earnings tonight. We are covering the earnings after hours. If you want to join me, you will go straight there at the end of the show. But here is the link should you prefer just to use the link. There it is 3 times in the chat. Okay, that's coming up later on. IonQ. Okay, quantum computers. That's the next show. I don't know why I'm showing you that. 5436 5441. There we go. We're flying through the subscribers now, getting faster and faster. Anyway, what did you think about UHAL for the future? What do you think about UHAL? I've never heard of UHAL, honestly. What is UHAL? UHAL. Sorry, I've not heard of it. Anyway, I took a hit. Haha, bad pun. Very good. Stephen Rowe liked that. He thought that was funny. I didn't think it was that funny, Mike, actually. I think you've done better jokes. That's not your best one. Meeting from China Church. Let me show that. Why didn't that come through? Meeting with China. Is that what Winnie the Pooh? Oh, yes. Oh, my God, Martin misses every joke. Yes. Hang on a minute. Biden meeting with Winnie the Pooh didn't go well. You mean Jinping? Now, I'm starting to catch on now. What, is Jinping called Winnie the Pooh? Jokes are wasted on me. Probably are. I wouldn't even bother. Don't know why you bothered, quite honestly. Anyway, so there you go. Looking all right this afternoon. Looking all right. Got some good earnings coming up. What was the ticker just then? Which one? What was the ticker just then? I have no idea. Yoo-hoo. Oh, the ticker. Someone asked, yeah. UHAL. UHAL. Someone said, what did you think about UHAL? I think it might mean, what do you think about? I don't know. Oh, he's back on again now. U-Haul in America. It's a self-haulage company. Oh, you mean U-Haul? I think he means U-Haul. He's spelling it. He's missing out the U. I think he means U-Haul. Is that what you mean? U-Haul. I've done some business with U-Haul before, but yeah, I'm not sure I'd invest in it. Yeah, U-Haul. Anyway, enough of the jokes. Let's get back to Let's get back to what's in hand here right now. Let's have a sip of my tea. It's very cold in here today. Hey, Stephen, what's going on? IonQ headquarters is near my job in Maryland. And I know someone told me yesterday they love the way I say Maryland. Apparently it's Monroe, Maryland, or something like that, Maryland. But I go Maryland because it's spelt Maryland, and if you're actually gonna, say it properly, it's Maryland. So I don't know where you come from, Maryland or whatever it is. Anyway, just saying. I'm just saying. Anyway, we shall see. Let's have a little look what happened in the last few minutes. Oh, very, very nice. I just put out a couple of shorts and they've blown up. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty nice, isn't it? Seen that happen. Crypto news, Elon Musk, space, Virgin Galactic, IonQ earnings, all taken off. Hey, I'm starting to get this YouTube thing now. Oh, by the way, we are about 100 away from 30,000 on TikTok. Yes, it's getting very exciting. Next Day Trader, one of my subscribers go and check out his channel. If you go on my profile, you'll see Next Day Trader's got a video on the homepage of my channel, and it's in the playlist of super fans. He's got a Luca badge in the chat. You can go and check him out. I'd love everyone to go and follow him. All right? There you go. One of my subscribers. If you subscribe to me during a live show, I've got 2 videos to make today at the end of today's show. Very exciting. So if you are watching me live right now and you click the little star and become a subscriber, 1, you get exclusive content, but the bit everybody likes the most is the fact I make you a video and put your channel on my screen behind me and invite everyone to go and follow you. That's a very, very good good thing, because as I get more and more subscribers and followers, we're on target for 100,000 subscribers on TikTok within 6 months, something like that. And I would love to give everyone more followers and help everyone grow. As I grow, we all grow. So if you become a subscriber, that's one of the things I do for you at the end of today's show. All right? Okay. Let's rock and roll. The overall portfolio. Now, S&P has just taken a bit of a drop. What's selling off? Is it our friend Elon Musk tweeting again? Getting a bit sick of him tweeting all the time. 190. Stop. Just get back to making flipping cars and solar panels and stop messing around with my money. Stop messing around with my money. Robinhood taking a bit of a drop today. That's obviously taking a bit of a hit with what's been going on with all this crypto, but there you go. McDonald's down. Coca-Cola still up 3% now. I'm nicely up now with Coke. It's not likely to go down much more now. And same with J&J. If we can get maybe another 1 or 2% on top of that, then that's always safe money as well. It's money I can always pull out if you like. It's like putting money in the bank, but rather than earning 0.5%, I can maybe earn 10% a year, something like that. It's not massive money, but the dividends are good. It's safe, it's solid, and you can always pull it out if you need to. Google, on the other hand, is most certainly a growth stock, and that'll grow from here. Microsoft also doing well, also comes with a dividend as well, and at this price, really great. And Meta is about to go into the green, like all time. I'm down 1% now, which should have been 85. Anyway, let's have a little look. Where are we now? Now then, tonight we are covering the earnings of IonQ. This is IonQ. We're looking, I'm looking for, I haven't set a buy order. I've got enough. It's nearly 1% of my it's 0.8 actually of my portfolio. It is at the moment oversold, in my opinion. Right? It's on the floor. It's got a great future, I think. I think the technology is great, and Amazon know what they're doing. They're behind it. It's one of those things where it can easily triple its price, and then all of a sudden 714.21. Yeah, it's like over $2,500, something like that. I would have, and that's fine. I don't really want to buy any more. Got enough. But if we do get a big flash crash, I've not set a limit buy. I'm just going to watch it. I'm going to feel this one out. I don't know where to set the limit buy. I'm not getting any sense of where to set the limit. I know what my all-time low is, of course, but I don't know how low to go from there. Anyway, so we're keeping an eye on that. And, of course, the big story is Walmart and Target, because they report. Walmart's tomorrow morning and Target is Wednesday morning. So, anyway, that's all to come. $5, Stephen Rose saying. Place an order for $5. Well, I think my all-time low was $5.16. When I went through my history earlier, I looked at it and I thought, yeah, the lowest you've ever paid. There it is, $5.16. You reckon $5? You reckon $5, do you? If it dropped to $5, if we suddenly you got to remember, if you believe in a stock and you believe in it going forward, just before earnings, in my opinion, always have a buy. And set yourself a really low price, like $5, because what you can have the earnings leaked, you can have some dramatic selling and a big suddenly, half the people that work in the company decide to sell it or take a profit or whatever, and the thing can really move quickly and then bounce back in a second. It drops and buy it back. I mean, I've seen it happen. So if you want to grow a stock just before earnings, it's always worth, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So let's do it. Limit order of $5. So it's $1 off. It's not going to happen, but hey, if it does, boom, you pick it up. So I've got 132. 100 shares is going to cost me $500. I don't know if I need that much. There we go. 80. $5. All right. Shares. Yeah, okay. There we go. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow to execute. Review order. All right. If IonQ drops $1, which is a hell of a drop from 6 to 5, but it does happen, I would pick up 80 shares. So basically what would happen is, if it went down 534, you could say I would be 12% down, slightly less actually. I'd be about 10% down. I would double my position. I would be 5% down by doing that. So that's a safe bet. Do you see what I mean? I'm 12% up now. If it went down to $5, I'd be somewhere in the region of 10% down. But then by buying the 80, would nearly halve that to somewhere of like about 6% down. So that would give me plenty of room to grow, right? So that's the way I'm looking at that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set a limit price of $5, 80 shares, good till cancelled. It can run forever, and we're just going to let that sit there. Now, I don't expect in a million years to get that at all, but you never know. There can be these dramatic crashes, and they smashed earnings last time, so you never know. I mean, it was a huge upswing from last time. So if they do it again tonight, we could be in for something. So you never know. I'm either going to make some money going up, or I'm going to pick up a bargain with a flash crash. Who knows? 5.15. Sorry, Martin. No, it's 5 now. It's 5. We said 5. 5 it is. You're looking at a chart, right? Thinking, oh, it bounces from 5.15. That's where I bought it last time, 5.16. No. I'm gonna go for 5. I'm gonna go for 5 because I paid 5.16 before. No point paying again. I don't really want any more. So if I'm gonna buy it, let's get an absolute stonker of a bargain, right? All right. Let's get a stonking bargain. $1 off a share. It isn't going to happen. I don't need to buy it. So, do you know what? The best thing I've learned in business, whether you're buying stuff, selling stuff, whatever, always be in the position that you don't need the buy or the sell. If you've got a car to sell, right, be in the position where you don't need to sell it. So you can say no. You can hold on. You can get the best price. Very often, people try to sell their car when they need to buy a new one. And it might be the worst time ever to sell a car. I don't do that. I sold my car early, was it 2 years ago now? Bloody hell, when COVID and whatever. Right at the top, I nearly got as much back as I paid for the car. Absolutely crazy. I nearly got back as much as I paid for the car after having it for 2 years. Always buy and sell when you don't need to buy and sell. So you can demand the best price. When you're desperate and you need something, you'll always pay more. Selling things the same, or buying stuff's the same. Let the price come to you, and if you don't get what you want, leave it. Walk away. That's the hardest thing to do. Just walk away and go, no, I'm not doing it. So there you go. I've set a $5 target. Insanely cheap, but if it comes off, I'll be happy. Right. Well, it's in that ballpark. If it drops, so looks good. Stephen Rowe. Pants may be cheaper. Pants may be cheaper? What do you mean pants? Pants may be cheaper? What does that mean? What are you talking about? Pants may be cheaper. Right. for that silliness, I'm going to send you all to a commercial break. That'll teach you to be silly. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. No idea what he's talking about. Pants may be cheaper. Does anyone know what he's talking about? Anyone on TikTok knows what he's talking about. Just bought some SPY. Puts to hedge the gains. Good luck to you. Next day trader. My SPY, I'm actually in VU. I prefer VU. I know why you have SPY, more liquidity, but it's more expensive by the smallest amount. We're never going to see it. At least I'm not. I don't know how big a trader you are, but I'm with VU. Same thing really. And it's 18.67% of my portfolio. I've got $18,000 of it. I'm up 2.17. I've been buying it. I've got limit orders to buy at my all-time lows. I'm only going to buy it at my all-time ever low. And my all-time ever low is 320. If it hits 320, I've got an order to buy one. One single share if it goes to 320, but I don't anticipate that at all. I think we've seen the bottom of the market, and even if we have some down days, which obviously we will, I don't see it going to 320. But who knows? It's there in case all of a sudden I'm asleep and I miss it and it drops. But I'm not shorting anything. I'm not doing any options trading. I'm just buying the stocks when they go to my all-time lows. All right. Your story on buying of cheaper and cheaper. Oh, I see. Pants may be cheap, may be cheaper. Now I understand. Pants may be cheaper. Yes. Yes. Stephen, if you go and buy them in the Chinese store, it may be. In the Chinese store. Has anyone got any Chinese pants? Here, we'll talk to Bill. He's the Chinaman. He might have some Chinese pants. We've probably all got Chinese pants, don't even realise it. Stephen Lewandowski, did you get my what do you call it? My 10% discount? I forgot to give it to everybody this morning. Was it you, Stephen, who contacted me? It was you, wasn't it, Stephen? I think it was Stephen. I'm doing a one-day sale today because it's Christmas, and here you go. If anybody wants to buy anything from the shop today, there is a discount coupon code. Expires later on today. 10% of anything you buy. 10% off anything you get from the shop at the moment. We've got mugs, socks. Getting ready for Christmas, right? Mugs like this. The white one, the black one, the glasses. You know, you got socks, fleeces, bed sheets, towels. Literally everything. I did not look. Yes, it's me. Yes. So it's gold 10. Gold 10 in the chat right now. All right. Gold 10. I've just put it in the chat. You see it? GOLD 10. All right. Anyway, there you go. I absolutely love Meta's price action since you called it. Thank you very much. Yeah. It was a no-brainer for me, that. It could be lining up to be my all-time very best investment. It could be lining up for me my all-time best investment. The moment they cut back on spending by firing people, awful as it is, but that's what the company needed, the stock went up. I was down 85%. I had like a couple $100 of Meta, maybe more than that, maybe $500-600, I can't remember now. But I was down 85%, and I didn't just go all in at the bottom. I didn't know what the bottom was. I just kept chipping down, adding a new all-time low, a new all-time low, a new all-time low. And I've got another all-time low placed. I've got it placed at 87. I think just one. Is it just one? Yeah, just one at 87. Because I am going to trim off the top. This is too much money to have in Meta, but you know, it could suddenly go to $200 a share, and I'm going to go from 6 to 12 grand in 5 minutes. Here's Churchlet. Meta's a waste of time. Well, you say that, but I was down 85%. I'm down 0.9%. I'm down $63 on 6 grand. I don't see that as a waste of time. Does anybody else see that as a waste of time? I could sell all that now. For 65 bucks down. That's all. Let's get 6.5 grand out of the bank. I mean, I don't know. I think it's all right. Next year, be down again. Rubbish. Because you followed the knife. Because I followed the knife. Catch the knife. Yeah, but I'm good at catching knives. I'm a good juggler. I'm very good at catching knives. Anyway, yes, Facebook is rubbish. Is rubbish, but it's got money. Indeed, it makes a lot of money. It makes a lot of money. I am up. Meta, very good. There you go. You're up in Meta. Very, very good. Facebook is the only reason. Facebook is the only reason it's still here. Well, it's a big part, mate. I mean, it's a gazillion-dollar company. It makes a lot of money. It's got no debt. Most of the stuff we invest in's got debt. I mean, I think, I mean, you got to go with what you feel, ain't you? You got to go what you feel. I mean, look at that. I mean, that just tells you everything you need to know, really, doesn't it? I think, anyway. Anyway, you got to do what you got to do what's right for you. Hey Dexter, how you doing? Metaverse will be bust like the 2000.com era. No, space is better than Meta. Can't compare them. They're completely different. Completely different, I think. My outlook and why I'd buy one or the other are completely different. My thought process to either one is completely different. Meta, lots of ads make money. Yeah. Church, I won't endorse that step-through scoot if you carry on. There you go. Stephen, you're upset. You're upsetting the animals now. You're upsetting the animals. You're coming in here, poking, rattling a stick down the railings. You're down the bars. You're upsetting the animals. Calm down. Calm down, church. You're upsetting the animals. Stephen Rowe he's pacing up and down his little cage now. He's getting all agitated like that. He was perfectly happy a minute ago, and now he's stomping up and down. You'll get a better return in 30 years. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll wait 30 years. Maybe I'll wait 30 years. Hi, Bill. Happy that you are here. Hi. Step through Scoot will have the last laugh. Step through Scoot will have the last laugh. We shall see. We shall see. Bill, what about you? What about you? What's Bill up to? Okay, we're getting ready for IonQ. IonQ is in 28 minutes. It's literally on the bell. We're going to be coming straight out of this and straight into it. And I've got a buy order for $5. I'm going to set a buy order for $2.50. How about that? How about that? $2.50. Anybody up for that? All right. Walmart. Walmart, I'm setting a buy order for 79 cents. I'm going to buy 1 million shares at 79 cents. What do you reckon? Then all space. That doesn't even make sense. You can't just go then all space. Don't have it. I don't even know what's on the comments. I don't know how you guys cope. Do you all cope with the comments? I look at them and go, I don't know what anyone's saying. Very often I read it and go, I ain't got a clue what anyone's saying. I just read it out. Tilray Brands up 0.36 today. Enphase Energy up 2.9, $300 now. Bitcoin SV up 5.31. I haven't bought any more, by the way. Bitcoin is up 2.73. I'm down 10% on Bitcoin right now. Need glasses? Probably. I can see. I just don't understand what anyone's saying. Still alive, says Bill. That's good to hear. Let's put him on the screen. There he is. Father Christmas, look. It's my short New York slang. Well, yeah. All right then. I'm not going to argue with that. I'm not getting involved. I think it's very important not to get involved today. A lot of argy-bargy. Don't get involved. Stephen, be optimistic. Could be 29 years, 11 months. Yeah. Patty, you're absolutely right. Be optimistic. Could be 29 years, 11 months. Could be. You're all talking rubbish now. Thanks for the follows. Are you into dividend stocks? Yes. When it's appropriate, I am. A lot of my stocks carry dividends. VU has dividends. Rio Tinto has dividends. Apple has dividends. Microsoft has dividends. Coca-Cola, J&J. Quite a few of my stocks have dividends. Yeah. And at the stage we're in at the moment, a lot of stocks have been oversold and got a lot of growth to come back. So I'm in growth stocks that have a dividend at the moment. So bit of both. Wish I was still in end phase. I took 348, but FOMO popped in, and I took profit. Well, nothing wrong with that. Or even 29 years and 10.5 months. Ale. Stop messing around. I know you're over there in Italy with your drums and your pens, but stop messing around. We need some cordial behaviour here, respectable behaviour. Not at Cell Church. Not at Cell. Right. Okay, we've got 25 minutes. We're going to end right on the bell because we are doing our earnings tonight, eye on Q. We're keeping our eye on it. You might, if anyone gets it quick, let me know. I'll be looking out for the earnings, which will be right after the bell. Let's see where we end up. I'm looking at thinking Tesla's going back down again. Yes, there we go. 1.34. Losing a bit of Tesla. Virgin Galactic is just going sideways. Everything's just... We had such growth last week. Robinhood is bringing me down a bit. That's bringing my portfolio down a bit. So Robinhood, I've got a buy at $8. It's not done them many favors, this whole crypto FTX situation. That flippin' idiot that everybody thought was a god, old Sam Bankman-Fried. He's a bloody idiot. You can see he's a bloody idiot. Okay, he's good at coding, but that's about it. Morally and scrupully, he's a bloody idiot. Monday has been real slow on the US 30. Yeah, you can sense today there's not much going on. You can feel it. It's not exciting. It's not exciting today. Right, so to make things exciting, right, I'm going to make things exciting. You ready? Okay, we're going to make things exciting. Here we go. I'm looking into my crystal ball. Here it is, crystal ball, and I expect 20 likes in the next 1 minute. All right, otherwise, I'm going to end the stream and say, bugger off. We're not doing... Right, smash the like button. Here it comes. Right, I want 20 likes in the next 1 minute. And we're getting ready to close the bell. And if you don't do it, I'll do another commercial break, and you'll all be forced to watch an ad. So there you go. You can put that in your pipe and smoke it. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Real Satoshi, stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto, 14 likes, 15 likes, 16 likes. 4 more likes to go. I want 20 likes in 35 seconds. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. What's going on? What's going on? Smash the like button. Okay, 17 likes. We're getting better. You're very slow this afternoon. Can't believe you. 18. Not too bad. 18. Come on, let's make it 19. Stop messing around. Okay, let's get ready for after hours earnings. Eye on Q. Eye on Q. Eye on Q is right on Q. It's going up. $6 a share. I'm never going to get $5, am I? Stephen Rose said, I've already liked it. Can't like it again. He's right. You can't like it twice. If you like it twice, you just back to where you started. Nothing. If you click it twice, you end up with nothing. So, yeah. Walmart dropping down. Is it lining up to do a crash like last time? Should I sell it all and buy it back on the crash? No. No. I'm not doing that. Down 1.21 today. 46,000. We're just under that 47. Just a little bit down. The overall markets, they're not selling off, which is great. I mean, I had 24% built in, so I'm still 23% up. So I'm perfectly happy with that. It could have had a big sell-off today, and it didn't. Over the last 3 months, look, I'm down 16%, but over the last over the last month. Look, from that point to that point, up 21%, 8 grand. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Queen of Self-Braiding, how are you? Lovely to have you here. I got 20 likes in the end. There you go. We got there in the end. Only took you 10 minutes. Thanks for all the follows, by the way. We're just a handful of followers away now on TikTok to have a grand total of 30,000 followers. We are just around the corner from 30,000 followers. Very exciting. The next target for me is 100,000 followers, because at 100,000 followers, you can do some extra stuff. You can do some extra stuff that you can't do where I am now. So I'm looking forward to that. And, of course, the more followers I get, the more I can do for my subscribers as well, which is what excites me. Queen, I don't know why I get excited about open people. It's kind of weird, isn't it? I just do, innit? It's a good job, isn't it, really, for you? Right. Imagine, Martin, if the market goes down another 50% from here and you sold some now, you'd be able to buy double the holding. Correct. Correct. Of course you're correct. Does anybody see the market going down 50% from here? Imagine, Martin, if the market goes down another 50% from here and you sold some now, you'd be able to buy double the holding. You're right. My crystal ball says IonQ is going to 645. Stephen Rowe, you can't say that. You haven't got a crystal ball. You haven't got a crystal ball. Will Matthews has just become a subscriber. Look at that. Not 50, but I think it could drop 25 to 30. If it goes to 25, it'll end up back where I was before. So, and if it does that, it'll bring in more buyers, and I'll be fine. I'm not. And remember, 24% is me selling every single stock. Martyn Lucas. That's good. I like that. I might change my name to that. I like that. That's good. The S&P 500 is down 0.24. Virgin Galactic is up 0.09. Virgin Orbit. 15 minutes ago before the bell goes. Welcome, welcome everybody. If you've just tuned in, if it's your very first time here, and you've never been here before, you don't know what's going on, subscribe and ring the bell. That's the first thing you've got to do to sort of manage your way through this, and then give us a thumbs up, all right? That's what's going on here right now. Okay. I want to share with you a little bit of excitement on the channel. A few moments ago, I posted a couple of viral videos, and they've gone nuts. They've gone nuts. Look at that. I just thought I'd share with you. See if we've got any more subscribers today. 5,000. Whoa! Look at that. That's another 6 in like a minute. I like that. 5,444. Have you seen growth like it? Mr. Beast would love growth like this. Oh, dear me. What am I talking about? And it's very exciting, though, isn't it? Of course it is. Very, very exciting. It's very, very exciting. Oh, there's a little button here. What does that do? Oh, yeah. I just noticed a button on my screen I've never seen before. So, hello, what's all that about? Right, down 1.3 at the moment, the overall portfolio. So it's taken a bit of a drop. I'm not concerned, though. After hours earnings coming up, IonQ. So we want to keep our eye on IonQ. Now, what we're looking for is bad news for Walmart and Target. We're looking for bad news because we're looking for bad news that brings the cost down and the inflation down and the CPI rate down and stuff like that, where the next month the whole thing is going to go flying back up again. So looking for some bad news right now is good news, right? So I am looking to see if Walmart will sell off. Look at that. Look, I'm 14% up at the moment. And I'll buy some more on a dip. It's a big enough part of my portfolio, so I'm not really looking to buy anything, even though it's good and strong and I think it's going to bounce right back up again. I'm not going to buy anything unless it goes, below my average, which is I think around about 120. So I don't think it's going to do that, and I don't think Target, I'm up 16% on Target, I don't think that's going to go anywhere near there either. Anyway, percentages aren't equal to value. If something drops 50%, it has to go up 100% to be back at the same price. Yes, I get that. He's absolutely right. If aren't equal to value, if something drops 50%, so if you are $100 and you go down to $50, you've just dropped 50%. Correct. And if your $50 is going to go back up to $100, it's gone up 100%. Correct. Because it's doubled in price. Correct. 22, thank you very much indeed for the maths lesson. He's bloody right. Walmart goes under $100, I'm buying like crazy. There you go. Walmart under $100. Bloody right. In fact, I think I do have some at $100. I think I do. If I go to my history, what does my history say? History says 122, 121, 120, 120, 120, 144, 145, 100, 118, 118 is my all-time low on Walmart. So for me, 115, I'd buy some more. Yeah. Anyway, we've got 15 minutes to go. No, 50% never. CPI will be lower. Inflation getting better. Loo. Hope it's the bottom. Loo. Hope it's the bottom. Walmart will be $200 by 2024. Play long calls. I believe that. I'm holding it. Absolutely. Walmart isn't going anywhere, in my humble opinion. Will UK house prices drop in 2023? And by how much is your prediction? I honestly don't know. I can't give you a number on that. I have not researched that. I'm sorry about that. Nick Brennan, 42. I don't know. Right. S&P is down 0.36. 10 minutes ago. We're going to ring the bell this afternoon and go straight into earnings. With IonQ. So we're looking forward to that. Seeing how that pans out. Let's have another little refresh. I knew that was going to happen. That's why I showed you it. That happens. You get a massive surge and then someone goes, I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I don't want to subscribe to this. Houses are going to crash everywhere soon. Well, I'm praying. Nice if you want to buy a house. Rubbish if you want to sell it. Virgin Galactic just going sideways. It's not really an eventful day as far as I'm concerned. It's pretty rubbish today. There's not a lot going on. If I'm honest, Tesla is down 2%. You've got Meta is holding. Look at that. Despite we're getting sell-offs, we're not getting it in Meta. Meta, I don't know if Meta's bottomed or anything. I can't predict the future, but to me, it looks that way. Same with Google as well. Google, Microsoft, all those that sold off look like they've pretty much got nowhere left to go. Of course, they always have, but people aren't selling them anymore. Anyway, SoFi, looking good. IonQ, it's still going up. It's right on cue, says IonQ. I'm on the sidelines of real estate. Yes, you are. And we wish you all the very best, Churchy. Nothing important going on. One Fed speaker, and that was about it. Yeah, I think everyone should be tuning in to me because I'll talk to them. What do you want to know? 22. 10 minutes ago. Some days it's like this. There's no excitement. There's nothing going on. It's one of those days. This is the Ion Q. This is the Ion Q, by the way. Look, I've got a wonderful new poster. Oh, yeah, look at that. Lovely poster, this one. Lovely poster. I think I got a nice pose on this one. This one, I really worked hard on it. I thought, right, I'm going to pose for Ion Q. There's the face. Let's see that. I'm particularly happy with this thumbnail. I thought it was my best ever thumbnail. I thought the way I posed for this one was great. It's the same as every other one. Great to have you here. Thanks, Martin. Thanks for what? Oh, yeah, I wish you the best. Absolutely. Absolutely. Great to have you here, 22. Yes. Ion Q. It's going up. Get ready for a flash crash to buy some more on a hot summer night. Oh, hello. He's doing a bit of don't tell me he's doing a bit of Bad Out of Hell. He's doing a bit of Meatloaf. There we go. On a hot summer night, would you offer your throat to the wolf with the red roses? Will he hear me? Will he offer me his mouth? I love it. That's look. You look confused. Do I? What on my thumbnails? You've never said that before. You've never said that before, Stephen. I look confused. You've never said this before. You're just saying it now. You're just saying it now because I've said how amazing my thumbnail is. You're just saying it now. Why is that man handsome in the picture, but we have an old git? We have an old git live. It's the same person. It's the same person. Look. I got to do the pose. It's because I've got my hat on. When the hat goes on, I get serious. Like that. Bloody hell. There's no need for this rudeness, is there? No need for rudeness. You come on, you provide a show, you give entertainment, and you get rudeness. It's not necessary. I don't think it's necessary. I think you stop with the rudeness. Can we stop with the rudeness, please? Very serious. Yes. Very serious investor face. That's where I'm going, 22. Very serious investor face. This is serious stuff. This is money. I pay good money. Stephen, it's the camera. Come on. Yes, it's the camera. Ayel, get out of it. You keep your nose out of this. Blue steel. Blue steel. Blue steel. Is that my look? The blue steel. Yes. Serious investing here. This is a man you can trust. This is a man. This is. That's what it's saying. That's what it's saying. When you look at that, right? We got 8 minutes to go. Right, to ring the bell. When you look at that, you think, yep, this is a channel. This is a man you can trust. This man here, he's the man. He's obviously not had a shave. There's a little bit of stubble there. It was like a little bit. It was a day when I hadn't shaved in the morning, so it was a little bit, little bit stubble. I don't know why I don't know how we got onto this. No one cares less about my thumbnails. I've never won an award for my thumbnails. No one's ever commented on my thumbnails. No one's ever said, what a wonderful thumbnail. So I don't know why I'm even going on about it. If you know, you know. Blue steel. If you know, you know. All right. Well, I don't know. So, I don't know. Clearly, no one else knows, Shad, either. So you think you're being smart and funny? No one else knows what you're talking about, mate. You're talking into the wind. No one's paying any attention. Then you join a stream and it's loo, 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 loo. That's right. That's right. You look at the thumbnail and you go, this is good. This is like a private, personal, one-on-one Warren Buffett show. This is serious. I'm going to watch this channel. I'm going to subscribe to this, and I'm going to get financial advice, and I'm going to make lots of money, and this is brilliant. That's what the thumbnail says, right? And then you tune in and go, oh, this is not quite what I expected. Like, what's his name? Market Profit. Market Profit reckons this is the faulty towers. The faulty towers of investing. I think that's a bit rude, isn't it? That's gone a bit too far, isn't it? That's gone a bit too far. Oh, this guy looks like he knows what he's doing. That's right. That's right. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to follow this channel. Yep. And then they tune in and then they go, oh. But it's entertaining, isn't it? It's entertaining. I think I'll carry on watching it. It's entertaining. Oh, gosh. Yeah, we are having a sell-off going into the close. Looks like it. Looks like it. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go, and it looks like we're selling off. And you come in, and it's just like Jim Cramer is having an episode. Jim Cramer always does... Have you noticed? Jim Cramer always does this with his hands. I've no idea why Jim Cramer spends the entire time like someone's grabbed his bloody hand. He's like this. Look, he's got his hand over here. What is it? What is all that about? Why has Jim Cramer always got his hands all over the place? I really don't understand it. I'm just making the picture quality better for TikTok. There you go. I can improve on it. Look, you ready? It's going to get like really good now. You're going to go, oh, thanks very much. Appreciate that. There you go. That should be better for you now. Because I provide a quality service for my TikTokers. Right. Cramer is special needs. That's why. His hands are all over the place. Thank you very much, Leah. Leah's brought me a cup of coffee, Mike. Is that tea or coffee? Coffee. That's just what I need when I'm freezing cold. Freezing cold in the freezing studio. Bloody winter now. I'm freezing. I'm going to start wearing a coat when I come to work in the morning. Gotta love Cramer. Yeah, welcome to Mad Money. Welcome to Cramer Vision. What was it? Cramerica. Welcome to Cramerica. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make money. There's always a bull market somewhere, all right? I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to entertain and teach. All right, then. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to piss everybody off. I'm not here to make friends. Yeah. I don't want to be anyone's friend. If you think we're friends, you're in the wrong channel. I'm not here to be your friend. All right? Do not think for a minute I'm your friend. Do not be lulled into a false sense of security that thinking that I'm your friend. I'm not your friend. Need to have that gravelly voice though. He hasn't got a gravelly voice. He sounds like an Ewok. Like that. He talks like that. I never understand half of what he says. I have to read the subtitles. Oh, God. Everything's selling off. It's the end of the world. Market profit's going to come on in a minute. Because he hasn't been... Market profit never comes in when I'm up and up and up and up and up. He'll come in now and go, see... It's all going back down the toilet again. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Look, everything is selling off. You know what that means? It's the end of the world. Every company is going down the toilet. All of a sudden, Walmart and Target aren't selling anything, which is funny because neither is anyone going on Google, and it's funny. Even no one's even buying any Coca-Cola. No one's going to McDonald's anymore. Robinhood have just given up being, hiding in the hood. And Apple are not selling any phones anymore. Yeah, everything's gone down the toilet. Oh my God, need to have that gravelly voice. Right, you ready? 1 minute to go. We're going to ring the bell. I'm glad to ring the bell because I've had enough today. I'm bored with you. I'm bored because he got a little bit like having a go at me today. So I'm done. Everybody had a good time on TikTok? Wonderful thumbnail, matey. There you go. Mark Banks. Mark Banks on TikTok loved my thumbnail. I wonder if I can get him on here. Mark Banks. No, I can't. I was going to get him on TikTok. Mark, if you say that again, I will put you on the screen, Mark Banks. I'll put you on the screen. Is that P&B Photography I just saw over there? Did I just see P&B Photography over there? That's one of our members on YouTube, isn't it? Right, 1 minute to go. Less than 1 minute to go to ring the bell. I'll be glad to ring the bell today because I'm losing all my money and it's rubbish. Oh dear, love you, Martin. What's going on? Stephen Rowe. Mark Banks, well done. You got a free subscription. Mark Banks got a free subscription? How did that happen? Mark Banks got a free subscription. Could someone explain to me what you mean? Hang on a minute. 15 seconds to go. How did Mark Banks get a free subscription? No. What are you saying he did then? You're not making any sense. You're saying he did, then you're saying no. You're not making any sense. Right, the bell's gone. We're in the after hours. There we go. I bought some Robinhood flour to add to my schnitzel recipe. Robinhood flour. Evening, family. Mark Corn is here, right on the bell. Saved by the bell. Mark Corn. This has been a very abusive show this afternoon. I've had people taking the mick out of my wonderful, amazing Shad stream is doing the rounds. Oh, here we go. He's on Facebook now, showing everybody his little Facebook thing. Look at that. Yeah, everyone was giving. I thought my Ion Q was wonderful, but no one seems to appreciate it. Anyway, just doing the rounds on Facebook. Yeah, sorry, I had a busy afternoon. There's no excuse, Mark. There's no excuse whatsoever. Everything is put to one side when I'm on the telly. When I'm on the telly, you tune in. All right? I don't know, what's going on. You build your life around this. All right? You build your life around this. Look, I got Fugly Mofo. Fugly Mofo on TikTok is driving. He's driving and he's still got me on the telly. He's driving and he's got me on the telly. See? People need to have some priorities. Right. We've got earnings. We got earnings coming up literally straight away. So I'm going to give everyone the link now for earnings. I was here earlier. Calm down. All right then. You were here earlier, were you? Well, that doesn't count. You got to be here now. There's the earnings for Ion Q. We're going to be there right now. So I'm going to go over to that. You can stay there and automatically take you there. Or you can just click the link and I'll be over there in a minute, right? So we're going to end this. We're not going to do day trader of the day. We can't because the earning starts early tonight on Ion Q. So we're not going to run credits and there's no point. No point, quite frankly, because no one gave me a super chat. There's nothing to celebrate. There's nothing to celebrate. So I'm not even going to bother doing it, all right? So I'm just going to say goodbye in a harsh fashion that you deserve tonight, in a harsh fashion, and get straight on to, what do you call it? Roll the credits. Okay, I'll roll the credits then. Is it because you did something nice, Stephen? You didn't do anything nice. All right, I'll roll the credits. I don't know why I'm doing the credits. I don't know why I'm doing them. No one did anything. It's like a pointless exercise. But I'll do them. There you go. Roll the credits. Mark Corn. He gave me a super chat right after. It's too late. Too late. I wonder if I can roll the credits again. Hang on a minute. If I can end them. Let me see if I can end them and do them again. Right. Roll the credits. Roll the credits again. There's a tip. Let me see if the credits will work second time round. Roll the credits. Let's have a little look. Will Matthews became a subscriber? No, too late. It didn't register. Didn't register. Mark Corn, thank you very much indeed for the 79 pence 79 pence tip. I appreciate. Unroll the credits. I can't unroll. I just tried that. Didn't work. Sorry, I start this sort. LOL. Sorry, I start this. Sort it out, Martin. Yeah, sort out what? Right, I've got to go because it's time for the earnings report. Right? There's rubbish credits. I don't know why I bothered. I knew it was a waste of time. I knew it was a waste of time. Who was it who said do them? I knew it. I don't know why I pay attention to people. I knew it was going to be rubbish. Right, I'm taking a short break. In fact, I'm going to be right back with the earnings in like about 10 seconds. So come straight over. Don't be late. Mark Corn, you were late for the earlier show. Don't be late twice. It's not our members with a nice yellow badge behave. You're about to turn gold, so you've got to start, raising your game a little bit. All right, I'll see you back. I'll see you back in a minute. Raise your game. Raise my game. I pay to be a member, and now I've got to raise my game. What's going on? What sort of show is this anyway? Right. You know what sort of show this is. I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Don't go away. Stay right where you are on YouTube with the best YouTube channel in the world. What else would you be doing right now? Take care of yourselves and each other.